The two-day Khel Maharan district level competition for East Kokrajhar, West Kokrajhar and Gosaigaon LAC concluded yesterday at Kokrajhar District Sports Association ground. On the concluding day, Kabaddi, Volleyball and Football final matches were played at the Kokrajhar District Sports Association ground. Last evening, a prize distribution ceremony was held where the individual winners in athletic events and champion and runner-up teams were handed over the medals and certificates by the guests. East Kokrajhar MLA Lawrence Isleri, Kokrajhar Deputy Commissioner Pradeep Kumar Dwivedi, Vice President of Assam Football Association Kabiranjan Brahma were among those who were present. Over 500 players from 3 assembly constituencies, East Kokrajhar, West Kokrajhar and Gosaigaon LAC participated in 4 events: athletics, football, kabaddi and volleyball.
30 East Kokrajhar LAC and second prize goes to Mia Sivatari, 30 East Kokrajhar LAC. And last but not the least, third prize goes to Angela Burma from 29.
আমাৰ কোকৰাঝাৰ জিলাত যি খেল মহাৰণ এই খেল মহাৰণৰ অন্তিম দিন আছিল খেল মহাৰণত বহুত হাজাৰ আমাৰ প্লেয়াৰবিলাকে ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন কৰিছিলে বহুত খেলুৱৈ ইয়াত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিছে আমি আশা কৰোঁ যে ষ্টেট লেভেলৰ বিভিন্ন পৰ্যায়ৰ যিটো খেল সেই খেলত আমাৰ কোকৰাঝাৰে স্থান দখল কৰিবলৈ পাব বুলি আমি সক্ষম হ'ব বুলি